Thai National Hadu South Chin Kinthi Hakarinsan Yakura Pro Event K1 Flyweight Kabla Yashim Binta Hakani Karinsan Yakura Kabla Long Itanagar Nayalam do Shurinkat Lang but Kiwi Hidakon.
Both these guys are so young and just looking to establish their careers. I'm really glad that at least these young guys are fighting each other now, you know. Final instructions by the referee.
All right, the only K1 bout this evening.
Yeah.
DONBOK taking on Mr. Fazal Jamil. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Unreal!
Oh, that was nasty! Oh,
Right off the bat!
Oh, God, these kids are going at it! Oh, that's beautiful!
He is out!
Was that like 10-second knockout?
DONBOK knocked him out in the first round!
Oh, no, this is a standing 8 count.